The 2026 Chrysler 300 redefines American luxury with a bold, modern twist on its iconic design. At first glance, the car captivates with its sculpted exterior, blending aerodynamic elegance with a commanding presence. The signature grille, framed by sleek LED headlamps, offers a sophisticated yet aggressive stance, while the chrome accents and optional 20-inch alloy wheels enhance its upscale appeal. Under the hood, the Chrysler 300 doesn't just impress visually, it's a performance powerhouse. Buyers can choose between a refined 3.6-liter V6, delivering 305 horsepower, or an exhilarating 5.7-liter HEMI V8 producing 395 horsepower, both paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission. Whether cruising through city streets or tackling open highways, the car delivers seamless acceleration and precise handling thanks to its adaptive suspension and all-wheel drive option. Inside, the cabin is a haven of comfort and cutting-edge technology designed to envelop passengers in luxury. Plush leather seating, customizable ambient lighting, and real wood trim create an environment that feels both opulent and inviting. The spacious interior ensures exceptional comfort for all passengers, with heated and ventilated seats in both the front and rear, as well as a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a stunning 14.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrating navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. A premium 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system elevates every drive into a concert-like experience. Innovative features like Chrysler's latest autonomous driving suite set the 300 apart from its rivals. With adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and hands-free parking, the car ensures peace of mind during every journey. Safety is further enhanced with a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and advanced collision avoidance technology. Beyond its technology, the Chrysler 300 continues to prioritize luxury with thoughtful touches like a built-in air purifier, acoustic glass for whisper-quiet rides, and an available massage function for the front seat. Every detail of the 2026 Chrysler 300 has been meticulously designed to offer a seamless blend of performance, luxury, and innovation. It's not just a car, it's a statement of modern sophistication and a testament to Chrysler's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence.